Friends, today we will learn English poem The Quarrel. So before we will start, I am just giving introduction of this poem. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation in every homes. Many a time they quarrel with each other without any reason. Maybe you have experienced. Their quarrels begin over very small, petty issues, and how, with a small kind act, the quarrels end. It is very mystic and beautiful. So, let's read this poem to feel the same and let's understand. So, I request you all, please open your textbook and look at the first stanza of this poem. First, I will read it and then I am going to explain. I quarrelled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So, here, children, the poet had a fight with his brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the causes of the fight was. The fight was happening because of a series of things. One thing was giving way to another. While fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was modest and was not very serious, but gradually it grew intense and became a serious issue. His brother said that he was right, whereas the narrator was thinking himself on the right side. Now we will see second stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come on, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. So, after here in this second stanza, poet is trying to explain us in the noon the fight became serious and both started hating each other. They didn't like one another. All of a sudden, poet's brother hit him on the back and asked him to get along, as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night. So it is not good to this matter to take long time till night. He also declared humbly that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. This moved the poet's heart and he realized that he was wrong. So here in the end of this poem, poet is trying to say that in the end her brother said generally that it was my mistake, and this is just proved his generosity, right? The matter was nothing, it was very silly matter, but then also the poet's brother accepted and said, now till night we don't have to carry on this quarrel. And he said that let it be, now I was wrong. And that time poet's hurt and he realized that he was wrong. So children, now I am going to show you this video. This is very nice video, just enjoy it, then we will discuss this poem's meanings and question answers.
The Quarrel by Eleanor Farshad. I quarrelled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right.
So children, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now we will discuss meanings. Quarreled means had an angry argument. Number 2, slight, pity. 3, turned back. Answer, became very unpleasant or sad. 4, thumped. It means petted. 5, come along means to accompany. Here we will have question answers. Answer these questions. Number 1, what made them fall out? Answer, some petty issue made them fall out. Number 2, what was the quarrel about between the brothers and his sister? Answer, it is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. Many a time they don't know the point of dispute, but their quarrel does not last long. One day the narrator quarreled with her brother for no authentic reason. 3. How did they become friendly again? Answer, both stuck firmly to their claim of being right. They began to hate each other. But that very afternoon, the brother took the initiative and admitted his mistake. Thus, they patched up and forgot their bitterness. 4. Why did the quarrel take a serious turn? Answer, the quarrel took a serious turn because neither brother nor sister were ready to compromise. 5. What lesson did they possibly learn? Answer, they possibly learnt the lesson that it was futile to quarrel over trivial things. Question 2. Choose the correct option. 1. The poet had a quarrel with her A. friend, B. brother, C. sister. Answer, B. brother. 2. What was the result of the quarrel? A. Both left the house. B. Both became cool. C. Both became tense. Answer, C. Both became tense. Question 3. The quarrel. Who wrote this poem? A. Eleanor Farjeon. B. Harry Ben. C. Mary O'Neill. Answer, A. Eleanor Farjeon. 4. Which phrase means the same as to quarrel? A. Start off. B. End of. C. Fallout. Answer, C. Fallout. Children, write all these meanings, whatever we have discussed today, question answers and MCQs. Everything you have to write very beautifully in your English classwork notebook and learn them well. Thank you.